Manipur ga tainaba Myanmar border Ngak Shenba gi Thabak sing state machinery da Sinnanaba center da Taksinkhre haina Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren phongdorakli wafam ase pangai wairi da laiba Manipur police firing range ke fibam amade wafam aduda nauna sagatliba Manipur police ke temporary barrack ingsinba chatpada mahakna phongdokibane Manipur ngamkhaigi kilometer 10 gi akoibada laiba Myanmar macha sing Manipur changba yagani haina Ministry of Home Affairs na handakta thokhiba cherol adugi matangda paumishina hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren hai hiram asiga mari leinaba documents sing ude adubu hiram asigi matangda hojikmaki oina center ga pau faunaba leitre Thaurang ase Government of India na Free Movement Regime FMR gi thausil ase regulate tauna ba honabani haina lawe Mamang the Home Ministry na India da changning ba Myanmar macha sing visa paigadabani haina phongdokhrabani Yumthang nariba state kharana FMR lokthokhiba aduda yaningdaba leiriba asigi yengduna thaurang ase matam kharagi oiba interim arrangement oina paikhalakpa oigani khale thaurang ase final settlement nate aikhoigi oinadi malemgi kanglon matung ina state asida changlakpa yabgi visa paiba myoi khaktamak state asida changhangani marak sida Myanmar ga tainariba ngamkhai Ngak Shenba gi thabaksing ase ayamba state machinery na pangthoknaba center state lengakna haikiba lekra hainasu Chief Minister na makha takhe
No, right now there is no communication. I also have seen the document, but as we told you, just India government is trying to regulate the FMR. India government is trying to regulate the FMR. Even earlier, the Home Ministry has mentioned to issue visa. Those Myanmaris who want to enter India, they will be allowed only after having visa and passport. But it is an interim arrangement. I think final settlement is not there. It is an interim arrangement because many neighboring states asking not to impose FMR, to set free. You know, even two neighboring states also might be they are looking in the balance. So for us, it is very sure. And I can assure you that FMR in the particular Manipur area will be done through international norm, through visa or just passport, after formality is completed with the neighboring country. But as per the order issued day before yesterday, there is an interim arrangement. I think many modification, and from the government side also we are asking to the central government to use the state machineries maximum in the border so that we can identify who's who.